Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, May 31st. Today's Zen story is titled The Lantern and the Moth. The moth struck the lantern over and over, its wings tapping softly against the warm glass. After abandoning his meditation, Daichi watched. He was drawn instead to the creature's restless dance. Again and again it approached, drawn by the light, only to retreat at the last moment. Why did the moth hesitate? Why did it not surrender to the flame or turn away completely? The temple's old abbot, unseen until now, spoke softly from the shadows. Why do you sit in meditation, Daichi? Daichi hesitated, then replied, to find clarity. The abbot nodded toward the moth. And yet you watch. Daichi turned back to the lantern. The moth still circled, neither embracing nor abandoning the flame. He closed his eyes, listening to the soft hum of its wings, feeling the warmth of the lantern on his skin. When he opened them again, the moth had disappeared into the darkness. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive into stillness. You can gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What is the flame you are drawn to, yet fear to touch? What is the flame you are drawn to, yet fear to touch? How do you know when to approach and when to step away? How do you know when to approach and when to step away? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, I'm putting them and suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.